Welcome. This is a demo of Theum Contributor, the tool knowledge owners use to contribute books to a Theum knowledge base. Each Theum knowledge base has its own contributor. It is available only to knowledge owners who have been assigned contributor rights. Workers who have contributor rights can access the contributor directly from the knowledge base itself. Those who have only reader rights will never know the contributor exists. You are now looking at our example knowledge base's landing page. I accessed it using a user ID with contributor rights. I therefore see these two icons. The first, the Manage icon, starts the contributor, where I can see all books I have contributed. The second, the Add icon, starts the contributor directly to the New Book function. I want to contribute a new book, so I'll click on the Add icon. The contributor now starts directly within the New Book function. A book normally includes documents that belong together as a set. Examples are all documents comprising a safety manual, or all security reports for the month of January, or all research studies for the last year, or all customer service knowledge for call center personnel. I have to select the documents I want in my book to contribute them. The toolbar on the left makes this easy. It provides icons that allow me to select new documents to be included in the book and organize them into a sensible table of contents. The second icon lets me select individual documents. The selected documents will be displayed in the book's table of contents area to the immediate right. The third icon allows me to select a folder. In this case, all subfolders and all documents within them are loaded hierarchically into the table of contents area. If I've added a lot of documents to the book, the first icon allows me to create sections to group them logically. After I've added all documents that belong in the book, I can group them by creating sections. Drag and drop makes ordering documents in sections easy. For this example, I'll select the root folder for a large documentation project representing a legal manual. The project consists of 80 documents organized into 30 folders. It contains in total 1,600 printed pages of material. At the moment, I'm demonstrating the contributor's standard function for selecting documents and folders from the local file system. Support is also available for selecting documents from network file shares. Additional support is available for selecting documents and folders from any CMIS source document repository, including SharePoint. Now I'll create a section called Special Appendix and drag a few files into it. The organization within a book is important. It is part of the information used by the thematic query function. Combined with the thematic document analysis, Theum has all it needs to guide workers to the knowledge they need without the need to maintain complicated manual document tagging efforts or taxonomy processes. Once the table of contents is complete, I can configure the book using the configuration panel on the right. Here I provide a name for the book. This will be used when displaying the book in the knowledge base. The alias is automatically populated. It is used in the book's URL. The contributor description is displayed on the book tile in the contributor. This is useful for differentiating various versions of a book. The user description is displayed under the book title when the book is displayed in the knowledge base on a library landing page. The theme image allows me to select a custom image to use on the cover page of my book. The legal notice will be added to the bottom of each topic in the book. This is useful for copyright notices, proprietary information notices, and any other information that should be placed on every topic in the book. I am also able to create a single PDF containing all topics of the book. The pages of this PDF are sequentially numbered, and a printable table of contents for the entire book is generated. There is also an option to create an EPUB of the entire book. The EPUB reproduces the online book experience in a format that I can use offline on any device using an open-source ebook reader. In the Users field, I can enter user groups or specific users from my company. Only groups and users in this list will know the book exists and be able to access and query its content. Finally, I select a library where the book should be placed. Then I select Contribute. The contributor switches to the Manage view, where I can see my book has been queued. I can watch progress by clicking on the info icon. When processing begins, the Theum server atomizes the contributed knowledge, normalizes it into a uniform format, builds a thematic network, and inserts this into the knowledge base's thematic matrix. I can now open the book and browse it. Or, even better, perform a thematic query to find the knowledge I'm looking for without having to look for anything. Theum's approach has many benefits. The library paradigm is intuitive for any knowledge owner in the business. It is easy to get right without training, and is infinitely scalable. Creating a table of contents for a book is natural and fast for any knowledge owner. It is also intuitive and requires no training. This minimum level of organization is enough to completely eliminate the need to manage metadata, tag documents, and manage taxonomy processes in the business, all of which are complex, require specialized training, and are unscalable. Additional add-ins are available that automatically synchronize documents into existing books when the documents change. With these add-ins, the book creation process becomes a one-time effort. We have also created specialized import functions for customers that automate this one-time effort. These functions automatically create books with the required internal structure when pointed at, for example, document collections managed in SharePoint. On the bottom line, Theum reduces complexity and effort across the board and eliminates the knowledge management rocket science required by document-oriented systems. That concludes this demo of the Theum contributor. Videos providing a conceptual overview of Theum and a demo of the Theum end-user experience are also available on our website at www.theum.com. Thanks for taking a moment to get acquainted with Theum, and good luck with your knowledge management effort.